In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user to your Mailchimp account. Adding a user to your Mailchimp account is an essential step when collaborating with team members. It allows you to delegate responsibilities effectively while maintaining the security of your main account. Whether you need someone to manage your campaigns, create content, or simply view reports, setting up user roles in Mailchimp is straightforward and gives you the flexibility to manage access according to your team's needs. First, you'll want to navigate to Mailchimp's website and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile icon. This is where you can access various account options and settings that are integral to managing your Mailchimp account. After clicking the profile icon, select the option for account and billing. This will bring you to the account management page where you can handle everything from billing details to user permissions. Now on the left hand sidebar of the account and billing page, you'll see the option labeled Settings. Under Settings, click on Users. This section is dedicated to managing who has access to your account and what level of access they have. To add a new team member, simply click the Invite a User button. A form will pop up where you can enter the email address of the person you'd like to grant access to your Mailchimp account. Ensure that the email address is correct, as this is where the invitation will be sent. The next step is crucial as you'll need to assign a user role. Mailchimp offers several roles with varying levels of access. The viewer role is the most limited, allowing the user to only view reports and existing campaigns. If you would like someone to help create content, the author role is a good choice since they can make and edit content but cannot send out campaigns. The manager role grants more control, allowing users to both create and send campaigns, although they won't have access to billing information. For complete control, including billing and user management, assign the admin role. Choose a role that best matches the tasks you want your team member to handle. After selecting the appropriate user role, click on the Send Invite button. This will immediately send an email invitation to the specified address. Once your team member accepts the invitation, they'll have access to your Mailchimp account based on the role you assigned. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage user access in Mailchimp, ensuring that each team member has the tools they need to contribute effectively to your email marketing efforts. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below.